Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a more than special car right here. This is a rare opportunity. This is a 1970 Plymouth Cuda Hemi car with 2,417 actual miles. It has been rotisserie restored. It is verified by Galen Govier. This is the original number match motor for this car. It's a factory shaker, factory plum crazy purple. It's a factory stripe car. A lot of people add them. That's kind of a big deal. Factory 410 Dana rear end, factory rally gauges. It's got a lot of really good stuff going for it. The gentleman I got it from, he is a serious car collector, especially in the Mopar world. He only deals with legitimate stuff. There's not a doubt that this is a real car, real Hemi, real original motor. He bought it from Reggie Jackson back in 1998, sold it to a guy in Alabama, and recently acquired it back from the guy in Alabama, and I bought the car. So this is a real deal. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. We'd be happy to talk all about it. But again, a genuine car. You can be rest assured. Rotisserie restored. It looks like brand new. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at the pictures top to bottom, read the full description. And that's where you find the price tags on all of the collector cars that we do offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you're notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is one of the hottest cars there are. A Hemi Cuda, shaker hood, plum crazy purple. So look at the pictures on our website. The underside is detailed like the top side. Pristine metal. I didn't mention the car's from California. I have California registration cards. There's not even pits in the floors. It's all original, clean, beautiful metal, painted a gloss purple. Every component's restored, all the suspension, the steering, the bushings, the springs, all of that's redone and detailed. The brakes are all redone, brake lines, fuel system. It has the correct exhaust system with the resonators in the back. I do think it has a little crossover pipe, which wouldn't have been factory. It has, looking up at the motor, it's spotless. I have a Galen Govier report decoding the dates and the casting numbers and that on the motor. And the VIN number is stamped on the engine. It is the original to the car. The automatic transmission is a correct automatic transmission. And to be honest with you, the VIN number is also stamped there. So it's a VIN number matching transmission, but it was re-stamped. So it's not the original. It's the correct trans that somebody went ahead and stamped the VIN number on. 410 Dana posi rear end. That's the heavy duty rear end. Again, original for this car. It was born with a 410 Dana. So the body. Again, clean California body. The grille is all restored beautifully. It has the optional road lamps. Looks like show chrome. Looks like a mirror. You got hood pins. You got the argent silver on the shaker. This is all square and flush. Correct antenna. 15-inch rally wheels. They look new. Reproduction tires. The glass is crystal clear. The stainless moldings are polished. The body is absolutely straight. This paint job's about 20 years old. It looks like it was done last night. All of these moldings are mint. I don't see them scratched up or beat up. Door handle looks new. The gills, the Cuda gills are really nice. The top is mint. The glass is crystal clear. Trunk fits real nice. The tail panel, the bumper, the lights, all of that is in excellent condition. The metal flake is laid out real nice. It has a very smooth, glossy finish. Now that I'm seeing the window in a different light, there's a couple of hairline light scratches. There's some light marks down there. So it's not new, but it's a real nice window. And again, it was born with this. This Mopar expert made a pretty big deal out of that because they're always added to the cars. This one came this way. This side is just as straight, fits beautifully. Chrome mirrors real nice. So why don't we, I'm sure you're dying to see the motor, why don't we open it up and I'll give you a tour of the inside of the car. Inside this trunk compartment, it looks brand new. Look at the purple paint, the sticker, the jam, the weather strip, all like new. Then look inside the trunk, all painted purple, spotlessly clean metal, the plugs, the mat, everything is pristine. It has the space saver tire, the jack, the air bottle is all there, detailed, immaculate. Jack's over there to the side. The wiring looks new. The tail light housings are excellent. So it's a complete trunk and it looks brand new. And again, original metal, original trunk floor, original quarter panels. So if you want to look at the door panels, they're mint, the window cranks, the door jambs are painted beautifully, new weather strips. And the car is right, and it was restored right, but they started with such a clean car, 2,400 mile car. I would imagine it was probably being raced, so it could have been quarter mile at a time. The dash pad is mint. Normally they're split and cracked. This one's in excellent shape. It has the rally gauges, the tachometer. There's an option. The steering wheel's mint, the wood grain's not worn. Heater controls, knobs, everything's really nice. The center console is pristine. It has full set of original seat belts. The cushions in the seats probably replaced because they're nice and firm. The upholstery fits beautifully. Carpet fits real nice. Let's open that seat. The seat belts, the upholstery, the side panels, the speaker tray, all that's mint. It's like brand new. Then the headliner itself doesn't have a wrinkle. Working dome light, has the shoulder belts. Inside the glove box is nice. So we saved the best for last. You can see the big old Hemi under the hood, but actually that big shaker air cleaner hides a lot of it. That is the 426 4.25 horse. There's dual quad carburetors under there. And it's detailed out the right Mopar hoses and clamps and radiator, the right cap. Batteries bolted down. It has power brakes, but manual steering. Look at the engine bay is all painted beautifully, all clean, pit-free, rust-free metal. The brackets, the alternator, the fan shroud, everything looks mint. The numbers on the core support and the firewall both match the VIN number of the car, and then you do have the original fender tag. For those of you that don't know who Galen Govier is, he's the Mopar guru. And the gentleman I bought the car from is a Mopar expert. Them two compare notes often. So again, knowing that Galen checked the car out and the guy that I bought it from put his stamp of approval, there's not even a doubt in my mind. This is a real car. Real, genuine number match Hemi Cuda. everything shuts real nice too. I didn't even have to slam it that hard. Doors just shut with a nice firm thunk. You might have noticed earlier the hood was sitting up just a little bit. It wasn't clicked all the way. I'll show you now. It fits real nice. But I also noticed there's a little nick right here on the edge. The hood gets pretty close to it. It fits flush now. It was sticking up a little bit first go around. But anyway, there you have it. This is an amazing car. It's got a great history, great story. The 2,400 miles is really hard to prove, but that is the legitimate story that's being told. But we do know it's a well-restored, extremely well-restored, properly restored, genuine Hemi number match car, rust-free California metal. It doesn't get much better than this right here. Here's an opportunity. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression. Plenty of ways to reach out to the salesman. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to talk to them. They'll help you the best they can. They can get this delivered to your driveway. They can help you finance this car. It's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.